You look amazing. Oh, it's lovely. Look at how long that thing is.
I know, it's pretty long. Hi!
Hey, cutie.
Look how cute you are. You look good too.
Thank you, baby.
Look, we didn't cry. We're doing so good.
The bed's still alive.
I know.
Nobody's cried yet.
Where are the beds? Can we go bet?
We gotta go look at the beds, yeah.
Yeah.
Flyers and for sure.
Yeah, I want people to not know. Hey, ready?
All right, this
Bring
for
your flowers
sure.
down, yeah.
This is no doubter.
It's gonna be you.
I'm making a call.
It's gonna be you.
I don't think so.
No rolling eyes, no irony. No who cares, no vacant stare, no time for me. Honey, you're familiar, like my mirror years ago. Ideal is all sits in prison, shivering, alone in soul.
So Amaia and Ryan, as you stand here today in front of your loved ones, embrace this beautiful debt of love and commitment with open hearts. Cherish it, nurture it, and let it flourish. For it is in repaying this debt you'll find the true riches of life. A lifetime of love, happiness, and shared dreams.
From the first day we met, I knew you were special. You've shown me patience and kindness, and I promise to be patient with you even when you sneeze 15 million times in a row. You're my best friend and the only person I want to spend all my time with. Surprisingly, I never get sick of you. The love and care you have shown me is something I promise to always give back to you. I love you with all my heart.
Our friendship drives this decision to marry you today, and it will be the most important thing we have going forward. Our ongoing battle to see who is the funniest out of the two of us will make sure it's always fresh. My love for you is ever growing. My passion for you will never fade. You make me want for better things, and you make me want to be a better human. I promise my full commitment and love to you. Forever I will. I love you.
I love you too.
Kiss the bride. And if I had one word of advice for you guys moving forward is don't let the little things push you away, but bring you closer together. And I love you guys.
And just Amaia, just remember, Ryan's left-handed. So, you know, and I say that because it's just a whole different side of the brain, you know, and I've known that, right? Everybody knows that. All you left-handers out there, you guys know what I mean. So.
And my blessing to them is for a long, loving friendship and marriage and just enjoy life.
Mine, Ryan, a successful marriage is not finding a person you can live with, but finding a person you can't live without. And I know you found each other.
In the days shortly post-COVID, a tale unfolds. In Amaia's freshly painted home, their story holds. Amaia and I, with mimosas in hand, binged Love Island on her TV, not painting her walls as much as we planned. As the two of us painted and laughed in her brand new place, Amaia had long been messaging a guy on Bumble. Her heart began to race. On her screen he appeared, a guy named Ryan. Little did they know, their fates were intertwining. Amaia had been ghosting dates with Ryan, more than just a few. Ryan grew tired of her games, messaged her these words, bold and true. Do you want a freak? Or do you want to fight? And with these words, Amaia's heart took flight. High on paint fumes, in a drunken trance, Amaia invited him over, took a chance. I met Ryan briefly that night to ease any concern. Then I left them alone to explore, to learn. What transpired that night, only they know. In paint-scented rooms, their love did grow. This tale of love they'll cherish together. Amaia and Ryan, soulmates forever.
So listen, girl, when you can't even hide it, and it didn't take forever to find it.
As I conclude my speech, I want everyone to raise a glass to Amaia and Ryan. May you always find joy in the little things, and cheers to unexpected adventures, creative fun, and betting big on love. It's nice.
It's easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Ooh, oh, oh,
I've been waiting for this more than anything, even marrying this lady. I'm more excited about this.
I got that.
I'm more excited about this.
Put that in there.